Hello everyone, myself Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchendur. Today we are going to learn about the subject Python Programming, Unit 3, 4 and 5 topics. Function. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can process the data known as parameter into a function. A function can return data as a result. Create a function. In a Python, a function is defined using the def is a keyword. Example, def my underscore function print hello from the function. Continue. Calling a function. To call a function, use the function name followed by parenthesis. Example, def my underscore function print hello from a function. My underscore function. Python strings. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello is the same as hello. You can display a string literal with the print function. Example, print hello. Python list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other three are tuple, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets. Example, create a list. This is equal to apple, comma banana, comma cherry. Print this list. Python file handling. File handling refers to the process of performing operations on a file such as creating, opening, reading, writing, and closing it through a programming interface. It involves managing the data flow between the program and the file system and the storage device, ensuring that data is handled safely and efficiently. Reading a file. Reading a file can be achieved by file.read, which reads the entire content of the file. After reading the file, we can close the file using the file.close, which closes the file after reading it, which is necessary to free up system resources. Example, reading a file in a read mode bracket or writing to a file. Writing to a file is done using file name.write, which writes the specified string to the file. If the file exists, its content is erased. If it is does not exist, a new file is created. Example, writing to a file in write mode. Closing a file. Closing a file is essential to ensure that all resources used by the file are properly released. File.closed method closes the file and ensures that any changes made to be file are saved. That's all. Thank you.